Today I'll show you how to quickly add realistic highlight points in Substance Painter. Start by adding a new fill layer. This will hold our highlight information. Next, choose a bright color. Add a black mask to the layer. Then right-click and choose Add Generator. In the generator options, choose Metal Edge Wear. This will automatically detect the sharp edges where highlights should appear. Click the False button to invert the effect. Now the brighter areas will appear on raised or exposed edges. Fine-tune the look by adjusting the wear level, contrast, grunge amount, or any other parameters until you get the highlight style you want. To soften the highlight transitions, add a blur filter to the mask. This makes the effect smoother and more natural. Finally, change the layer's blending mode to linear dodge. This creates bright, glowing highlight points that blend beautifully with your base material. You've added clean, dynamic highlight points in Substance Painter. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.